Welcome to another episode of Asian Superfoods, where we reveal unparalleled flavors and health benefits of Asian culinary gems. In this video, we'll explore the secret power of 5 remarkable Asian superfoods, celebrated for centuries due to their therapeutic benefits. Join us as we uncover the science behind these culinary wonders, creating a bridge between taste and well-being. Let's kick off our exciting journey with none other than the good old ginger, a versatile root used in cuisines all over. But it's not just a spice. Ginger holds therapeutic secrets, thanks to a compound called gingerol. Gingerol is our hero for many reasons. It's a mighty anti-inflammatory agent. Think of inflammation as the body's distress signal. Chronic inflammation can lead to many diseases. Regular intake of gingerol can help manage inflammatory conditions. It's also an antioxidant, combating free radicals that cause cellular damage and aging. Gingerol neutralizes these molecules, providing cellular protection. Gingerol is also a digestive aid. Got an upset stomach, nausea? Gingerol is your go-to remedy. A cup of ginger tea or including it in your dishes can enhance your digestive health. Finally, gingerol may even have anti-cancer properties. Though more research is needed, early findings are hopeful. Remember, every ginger-infused dish is more than just a flavorful delight. It's a health boost. Now let's dive into a superfood well known for boosting immune health: garlic. Garlic is a bulb that's used in various cuisines and is renowned for its therapeutic properties, particularly allicin. Allicin is released when garlic is chopped or crushed, and it significantly supports our immune system. It boosts the functionality of immune cells, thus helping our bodies fend off infections and maintain resilience. This potent compound doesn't stop at bolstering immunity, it also contributes to cardiovascular health. Allicin has been linked to heart health by promoting blood circulation and controlling cholesterol levels. More than a mere flavor enhancer, a garlic clove a day might be a heart-healthy routine. Allicin also exhibits antibacterial properties, making garlic a natural antibiotic. Its potency against harmful bacteria is quite notable. Moreover, allicin is an anti-inflammatory agent, offering a natural remedy for chronic inflammation. By incorporating garlic into your diet, you could experience reduced inflammation, leading to improved health. Now that we've unraveled the healing magic within garlic, how can you harness its benefits? From sizzling garlic in a pan to adding it to your favorite dishes, the culinary possibilities are endless. Moving on to the nutrient powerhouse, tofu. As we slice into this unassuming food, we unveil a world of nourishment. Tofu, derived from soybean curds, is more than a plant-based alternative to meat. It's a trove of essential nutrients. Central to tofu's triumph is its protein richness. An excellent source of plant-based protein, tofu is an asset to vegetarian and vegan diets, delivering essential amino acids with each bite. But tofu's merits don't end there. It's also iron-rich, a vital mineral for oxygen transport in the body and preventing anemia. Another feather in tofu's cap is calcium. It's a great plant-based source of this essential mineral, bolstering bone health and skeletal strength. Tofu also helps in heart health, potentially contributing to a decrease in cholesterol levels. From stir-fries to desserts, it's a staple in Asian cuisines, valued for its nutritional and culinary versatility. Tofu isn't merely a nutritional cornerstone, it's a culinary chameleon, effortlessly absorbing flavors and adding depth to a myriad of dishes. Now let's explore the antioxidant power of lemongrass. A staple in Asian cuisines, lemongrass not only delights with its tangy flavor but also shields our well-being. Its potent antioxidants ward off inflammation and oxidative stress, fortifying our body's defenses. The power of lemongrass extends beyond its taste, acting as a personal guardian against health adversities. Imagine indulging in a cup of lemongrass tea or savoring its essence in a meal. You're not just relishing a zesty delight but embracing a protective shield. Lemongrass is also known for its calming effects. A lemongrass tea ritual can be a soothing interlude amidst a chaotic routine. Let transport you to tranquility, offering not just taste but a moment of relaxation. Furthermore, it boasts antimicrobial properties, making it a natural defense agent against infections. Incorporate it into your meals for a burst of flavor and a barrier against bacteria. And it doesn't stop there. Lemongrass aids digestion and may soothe digestive discomforts, transforming every meal into a celebration of digestive health. Lemongrass, with its vibrant flavor and health benefits, invites you to embark on a journey to well-being. From its antioxidant benefits to its calming effects, lemongrass embodies the therapeutic magic of nature. Finally, step into the world of herbal richness, where a revered root becomes a source of vitality. Ginseng, renowned for its adaptogenic properties, is not just an herb. It's a botanical marvel that has been cherished in traditional medicine for its potential health-promoting qualities. What makes ginseng a healing elixir? Let's delve into its extraordinary benefits. At the heart of ginseng's healing magic lies ginsenosides. These bioactive compounds are adaptogens, helping the body adapt to stress and maintain balance. Incorporating ginseng into your routine may offer a natural way to navigate the challenges of modern life and promote overall well-being. Ginseng is celebrated for its potential to boost energy and vitality. Whether sipped as tea or infused into beverages, this herbal elixir can provide a natural lift, supporting sustained focus and stamina. Beyond its physical benefits, ginseng is believed to offer cognitive support. Some studies suggest that ginsenosides may have neuroprotective properties, potentially enhancing cognitive function and memory. As you savor the distinct flavor of ginseng in culinary creations, you may be nurturing both your body and mind. Ginseng is also associated with immune wellness. Its potential to modulate immune responses and enhance the body's defense mechanisms makes it a valuable addition to holistic health. There you have it, a taste of the medicinal wonders hidden in your kitchen. Remarkably, your everyday pantry holds more healing potential than you might think. Spices, roots, herbs, all with their unique health benefits, waiting to be unlocked. By sharing this enlightening journey with fellow food enthusiasts, we can promote a healthier lifestyle, backed by the power of natural remedies. Remember, knowledge is better when shared, so engage your friends and family. Don't forget to support our journey by liking, sharing, and subscribing. This will provide us with the encouragement to bring you more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy and healthy cooking.